Hey everyone, my name is Shanae and I want to thank you for coming on and watching another one of my videos. Please like and subscribe. Thank you in advance. I'm coming to you today with an unboxing video of a Black-owned designer that has been emerging and has been doing his thing on the fashion front line, and I want to give it up for Mr. Brandon Blackwood. So today we're doing an unboxing of one of his gorgeous handbags, one of his many gorgeous handbags, and that is the End Systemic Racism tote. Let's get into it. I decided I wanted a Brandon Blackwood handbag, just seeing him everywhere on social media, and his pieces are very different. Like, he has a bunch of different styles, a bunch of different colors, a bunch of different textures with his handbags. They're like one of a kind. They're beautiful pieces. Price range, he has something for everyone. He has some on the high end, he has some on the lower end, but they're still high quality, and the handbags are dope. So if you haven't already, you need to go ahead and check out Brandon Blackwood on Instagram. His fall collection had dropped on October the 25th, but there are still some pieces online that you can check out and see if you're into. When Brandon released his fall winter 2021 collection, and so we could see everything that there was on the website, I looked at his website at least a week in advance and like kind of looked at everything that I wanted on his website. I knew for sure I wanted an ESR bag, and the color I actually wanted, the hunter green, beautiful color, okay? But I was unable to get it. I was not quick enough in the checkout. I literally was there in 1 minute and the bag was sold in 2, literally. It was a hard, it was just hard. It was, you should have seen like the comments on his Instagram. People were going in, the time like relapsed, so it was like it started over 10 minutes and people were like, was the website down? It was a lot, but luckily I had the links, I had everything in my text messages. I knew which bags I wanted. I knew for sure I wanted an ESR tote, but I did also want the leopard trunk as well, but that one sold out as well. It, like, his handbags sell out in minutes. It is so crazy. But I wasn't able to get a leopard trunk, but I was able to get an ESR tote. So I want to do an unboxing on here just so you can kind of get the vibes and so you can see the bag, and let me know if you guys would like a video on how I would style this bag. You know, Thanksgiving is coming up. This color bag is perfect. I can definitely get some ideas. So let me know if in the comments, or like this video, if you would like to see a styling video of the ESR tote. And again, like this video if you just really into Brandon Blackwood. So I actually already opened the purse because I had to see her when I first got her, and this video has probably came out maybe 2 weeks after I got her, so I'm sorry, but everything's still intact. I mean, the box is still here, she's still holding up, but I did pop her open. So let's get into it. So he already said it in the comments in his Instagram post, you know, the ESR totes are gonna make a comeback for his fall and winter 2021 collection in limited quantities, and they will not be shipped in his regular packaging, which is like a white box with his Brandon Blackwood logo, and it has like the handbag inside, and I'm sure he probably did that with his first batch, so I'm not really mad at the fact that it just came in this box. So we'll go ahead and get into it. So we have a receipt just to tell you everything that's in this box and what you purchased, and I know what it was. So let's keep going. And so first we're gonna have this cute little Brandon Blackwood New York duster to keep your baby nice and cozy free from scuffs and dirt and all that good jazz. Keep her nice and safe, because this is a collector's item. This is low-key a collector's item, so the duster's going to keep her safe. Okay. I don't have any girls. I don't have any little girls, but I don't know. I might have to have one, because I have some nice pieces, and somebody has to get this stuff when I get old. So, but this is her. It says, "In systemic racism." Ooh, she's gorgeous. Yes, Brandon did his thing. He snapped on it. Okay, so she is the original crossbody ESR tote. Super cute. It is like the canvas material. Originally I was going for the hunter green, but hunter green sold out in like 1 minute, so I had to double back and get me a ESR tote. So this was like, I don't want to say this was like the last one, because I believe it was like some other colors, but I really wanted something subtle, something that I could rock with a bunch of different things in the summer, spring, fall, winter. This is an everyday statement piece if you want to make it, but it's definitely seasonal. It's definitely multi-seasonal, I must say that. Now if you go inside her, she has like this little piece to keep her puffy, and then we have Brandon Blackwood New York, little emblem in the inside right there. Also comes with like these little silicone gel beads. I guess it's supposed to help with moisture, but I don't know what we was doing as kids, but I try to keep those away from my kids now. Anyway, and then she comes with like this cute crossbody strap. It doesn't look like you can adjust it. It just looks like you can just kind of snap it on both ends and just sit her on you. Cross your body. But yes, this is the bag. This is the ESR tote in the original canvas material. She has silver pieces, silver message, silver hooks. I would have really loved this if it was gold. I'm like a huge fan of gold, so, but it's okay. I'm still really loving this handbag. I'm going to rock it with my silver pieces. She's so cute. Okay, also I did notice when she came out the bag, she had like some little stragglies just kind of around. But you know what? I'm most likely just going to snip those off, because who cares? That's just how it came. That's just how she came, and everybody has something, and she has something, okay? But she's super cute. I can't wait to rock her. Let me know in the comments if you all would like a video on me rocking the ESR tote, how I would style it, Thanksgiving looks, work vibe looks, whatever you want to see. Let me know in the comments if you want me to dress her up and strut her around town. Overall, the bag is super cute. She's super sturdy. She is giving an aesthetic that I cannot wait to put together. And Mr. Brandon Blackwood said that this handbag is not making a return, honey. She is not coming back. I don't want to say I fully believe him, because so many people was in his comments about this bag, because it literally sold out in like 2 minutes. This bag literally sold out in like 2 minutes. And the fact that I got one, it's not playing, honey. Alarm was set, okay? Link was secured. I knew where it was going to be, and I got one. But anyway, she's super cute. Can't wait to wear her. She's not coming back, guys. Sorry. I'm basically like a one-on-one exclusive, something like that, right? Something like that. Very much something like that. So talk to me nice. If you are in the market for buying a Mr. Brandon Blackwood ESR tote, then you might be paying between $300 to $600. Just gonna throw that out there. People are really trying to run their bag up with these bags, and I can't say I'm fully mad at them, but for people who really want the bag just to like have it and just to have it in their collection of bags, that's like a slap in the face, because this bag was only $93 with shipping, but they are taxing online. So just wanted to throw that out there. They're taxing, but they are taxing online. So just wanted to throw that out there. Brandon actually gained his international notoriety in 2020 when Kim Kardashian West actually posted on her Instagram feed rocking the ESR tote, which was such a statement considering what she does in law, and also just with her following. That was super big, super cool for her to do for Brandon Blackwood, and I'm in awe. An important message, because if you're unfamiliar, systemic racism, which is a form of racism that is embedded in our laws and in our regulations of society. It comes about in areas such as our criminal justice system, employment, healthcare, housing, education for our children, and political representation. Portions of the ESR tote actually went to an organization to help fund minorities finding legal representation for civil rights cases. How awesome is that? I really feel what Brandon did as far as putting the bag out, hoping to get that message across to people. And that was one of the reasons why I really wanted this bag, because it was a statement piece on its own. And I definitely want people to question, you know, society, and just have those questions in their mind and can take that to their family or their spouse and just have open dialogue about everything, because that shit is real. A bunch of celebrities have been seen rocking Brandon Blackwood, to Cardi B, Keke Palmer, Kim Kardashian, Saweetie. Okay, it has been a lot of celebrities who have been into Mr. Brandon Blackwood. His bags are gorgeous. Okay, so if you haven't, make sure you check out his videos on Instagram. Make sure you go to his website. He has other things to offer as well, honey. Sunglasses, like some badass purses, and I hear that he's going to be doing a jacket line. I'm here for it. Whatever he's doing, take my money, okay? Whatever. I mean, Brandon's going to take all of our coins. Brandon's going to take all of our coins, and it's in the name of Black owned. Okay, we're going to support the home team. We're going to support the home team. So shout out to Brandon and this beautiful bag. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning into another episode. Again, this was my unboxing video for Brandon Blackwood. If you're in the business of supporting Black-owned businesses, if you're in the business of expanding your handbag collection, just supporting POC, then you need to check out Brandon Blackwood, hands down. And it's only going to go up from here. As you can see, the message is beautiful. The tote is beautiful. I cannot wait for people to see it and hopefully maybe ask me a question about it. Let's get the topics rolling and let's get the conversation started in our communities, because it starts with us. Okay? All right, guys, thank you for tuning in and for watching. Please like and subscribe. Boo. Like and subscribe to this video. Make sure you are checking out my other videos, and make sure you're supporting the links in the description, because my baby boy has a video too, so y'all have to show him some love. Thank you. And I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. I will be sure to get back to you. And again, y'all stay blessed. Peace.